Good afternoon, class 5. How are you all? Hope you all will be doing good in your home. So, welcome back, class, in your video classes. So, students, in the last class, we have completed up to chapter number 47, unit Plant and Animal Kingdom. Okay, and I was given you homework as page number 59 as your homework. Hope you all completed your work. Now, we are going to start our December month syllabus from page number 60, chapter number 48, technology quiz, unit exploring science. Okay, so all of you take out your book along with your pencil, start writing the answer. I'm giving you the answer also. In the live classes, we also discuss this one. If you have any doubt in the, you can clear in your doubt in live classes. So start everyone, all of you open page number 60, chapter number 48, technology quiz. 50 years ago, there were no smartphones, LED TVs, and digital cameras. The world has changed so much. In recent years, here are a few modern day gadgets which we cannot do without identify them using the help box. So, here it is written आज से 50 साल पहले about 50 years ago nothing will be there. ना electronic gadgets थे, ना mobile phones, ना LED TVs, nothing will be there. But life changes go on, modernization will be there, change hota gaya, and so many gadgets were identified. Without them we can't do anything right now. Okay, in this era we can't do anything like mobiles phone. You can see in the pandemic situation, you people were learning from the mobile phones through internet. So if there is no internet, no mobile phone, so how you people will learn and how we will teach? So nowadays technology has changes our life. So here are in your book some electronic gadgets were there. You have to identify them and write their name with the help box given in your book in the bottom. So first one is smartwatch. First one is smartwatch. Spelling is given in your book. Write the correct spelling with the help box. SMART, smart, WATCH, smart watch. Second, Google Glass. Google Glass, GOOGLE, Google Glass, GLASS. Okay, Google Glass. Third one is Bluetooth, BLUE, blue, TOOTH, tooth, Bluetooth. Okay. Fourth one is Wi-Fi modem. Fourth one is Wi-Fi modem, WIFI, Wi-Fi, MODEM, Wi-Fi modem. In fifth, GPS system, GPS system you can say, capital GPS. This GPS system is given in the car, okay, to find out the map, navigation, everything. Now sixth one is VR headset. VR headset. VR headset. HEADSET. VR headset. Okay. So we have completed this one. Again I am repeating this one. Write it down. First one is a smartwatch. Second one is Google Glass. Third one is Bluetooth. Fourth one is Wi-Fi modem. And fifth one is GPS. And the last one is VR headset. Now we are going to start the new chapter. Okay, all of you open page number 61, chapter number 49, vitamins. Okay, vitamins exploring science. So vitamins are nutrition present in the food that we eat. Our body needs vitamins in small amount to stay healthy and work properly. Okay, so nutrition is required for our body for their healthy growth and fitness. Okay, so vitamins are present in our food which we eat daily, and it is required in a small amount, but it is necessary to keep our body healthy and work properly. Okay, so there are two types of vitamins are there. First one is fat soluble vitamins and second one is water soluble vitamins. Okay, first we will discuss about fat soluble vitamins. Let's start. These type of vitamins are soluble in oil and fat. They are absorbed and stored by our body in the fatty tissues and our liver. Vitamins A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins. So this type of vitamins were soluble in oil, okay, and fat, are soluble in oil and fats. That's why they are said to be as fat soluble vitamins, and they were stored in our body in our fatty tissues. जहाँ पे हमारी fatty tissues होती है, where they were stored, and in our liver also. So examples are A, D and K are the fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D and K. There are different types of vitamins are there. So fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Second one is water soluble vitamins. So let's start. This type of vitamins dissolve in water and travel through our bloodstream to our body tissues. ये जो vitamins हैं ये water में dissolve हो सकते हैं. They dissolve in water and they travel through our bloodstream. हमारे blood के through travel करते हैं और हमारे पूरी body में पहुँचते हैं. They are not stored in our body. They were not stored in our body. They travels in our body. Vitamin C and vitamins that belongs to vitamin B. Vitamin C और विटामिन बी में जो भी विटामिन बिलोंग करते हैं, लाइक विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स ग्रुप, दे आर सेड टू बी एज वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन. विटामिन B1, B2, विटामिन B12, बहुत सारे विटामिन बी के कॉम्प्लेक्स ग्रुप होते हैं, दैट आर सेड टू बी एज वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन्स. ओके, नाउ हाउ डू विटामिन्स हेल्प अस. अब ये हाउ दिस विटामिन्स हेल्प अस. सो आवर बॉडी कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस विटामिन्स, it gets the vitamins it needs from the food we eat. हमारी बॉडी अपने से vitamins produce नहीं कर सकती. Okay, so we eat the food in which the vitamins were present. By the foods we get the vitamins. So there are different food items contain different vitamins. Let us learn about the way in which different vitamins help us. अब हम लोग यहाँ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वाइटमिन्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और ये कैसे हमारे बॉडी में आते हैं, विच टाइप ऑफ फूड वी ईट एंड व्हाट दे विल डू इन आवर बॉडी. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज विटामिन ए. विटामिन ए, इट कीप्स आवर आईज, हेयर एंड स्किन हेल्दी, एंड ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, मिल्क एंड कैरेट्स आर द सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए. हमको ग्रीन लीफ ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए, फ्रूट्स, मिल्क एंड कैरेट्स. ओके, it keeps our eyes, hair and skin healthy. Now vitamin B, there is more than one type of vitamin in this group. For example, B1, B2, B3, B12 and others. So as I told you, there are different types of vitamin B were there. What will they will do in our body? This group of vitamins help in making red blood cells. जो हमारी बॉडी में RBCs present है, red blood cells, they help in making of this red blood cells, gives us energy and protect us from diseases. So this vitamin is very important for us. And dairy product, meat, eggs, nuts, grains, legumes and cereals were very important source of vitamin B. legumes मतलब जो चने वगैरह आते हैं ना, वो हमको खाना चाहिए. dairy products, meat, eggs, nuts, they are very important for this vitamin B in our body. Okay, now everyone page turn. All of you open page number 62. Vitamin C, it helps in keeping our gums and teeth healthy. It also helps in keeping us safe from infections and healing wound, cuts and brushes. ठीक है, जो ये विटामिन होते हैं हमारी गम्स और टीथ को बहुत हेल्दी रखते हैं. हमारी जो वॉन्ड्स होते हैं उसको हील करते हैं, कट्स को, जो ब्लड जो जाता है उसको रोकते हैं. देखते हो ब्लड क्लॉट हो जाता है, रुक जाता है जब हमको चोट लगती है. तो दिस विटामिन हेल्प इन दिस थिंग्स. So what type of food we eat, then we get vitamin C in our body. Citrus food like orange, lime, kiwi, fruit and strawberries, tomatoes, broccoli and cabbage. मतलब जो खट्टी फ्रूट्स होते हैं, साइट्रस फ्रूट्स जिसको बोलते हैं, ऑरेंज वगैरह, ये सब हमको खाना चाहिए. सब्जियों में टोमेटो, ब्रोकली एंड कैबेज वी हैव टू ईट. ओके, नाउ विटामिन डी, it helps in absorption of calcium to keep our bones and teeth strong. विटामिन डी क्या करता है, हमारे बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखता है, टीथ को. एंड कैल्शियम, जितना भी हमारी बॉडी में कैल्शियम होता है, जैसे बोन्स, टीथ, दे नीड कैल्शियम. सो वी हैव टू मेंटेन विटामिन डी इन आवर बॉडी फॉर आवर बोन्स. सो एग, फिश, मिल्क, fortified cereals and sunlight, these are the important source of vitamin D. Now vitamin E, It helps in the formation of blood vessels and keeps the tissue of our body, like the ones in our eyes, skin, and liver, healthy. It also protects our lungs from pollution. So this type of vitamins, vitamin E, helps in the formation of our blood vessels, the tissues. It keeps the skin, the tissue of skin healthy, liver, and protects our lungs from pollution. ओके, जो pollution आता है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर भी, जो गंदगी होती है, उससे बचाता है. So what are the source? Whole grains like wheat and oats, green leafy vegetables, oil, eggs, nuts and seeds are the important source of this vitamin E. Now last one is vitamin K. Last one is vitamin K. It helps us to keep our bones strong and in blood clotting. हमारे बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखता है, ओके, और हमारे जो ब्लड क्लॉट होती है ना, उसको भी रोकता है. चोट लग जाती है, खून रुक जाता है थोड़े टाइम के बाद, कंटिन्यूसली वो खून बहता तो नहीं है, कुछ टाइम के बाद रुक जाता है, तो इट हेल्प्स इन द ब्लड क्लॉट ऑल्सो. द सोर्स, green leafy vegetables and dairy products. So in whole, what you have learned, that we have to eat green leafy vegetables, fruits, okay, non-veg products, dairy products, that our body becomes healthy. ये जो फ्राइड फूड्स होते हैं, पैकेट फूड्स होते हैं, ये सब नहीं खाने चाहिए. सिंपल. ठीक है, वो हमको हेल्दी नहीं बनाते. बट वी हैव टू ईट ग्रीन लीव्स, डेली मिल्क पियो, साफ सुथरे खाना खाओ, that makes our body healthy. Okay, now Novitrek is given. Initially there were vitamin F, G and H, but H and G have been reclassified as vitamin B2 and B7. Vitamin F does not fit within the definition of vitamins. F, G, H भी होते हैं विटामिन, बट G और H को उसको रीक्लासिफाइड करके उसको विटामिन B2 एंड B7 में कन्वर्ट कर दिए हैं, और F को नॉट F को विटामिन की कंडीशन जो डेफिनेशंस में वो नहीं आता है, तो उसको रिमूव कर दिया गया है. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द न्यू चैप्टर एंड द लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ टुडेज क्लास. पेज नंबर 63, चैप्टर नंबर 50, सिंपल मशीन्स. Let's start. Simple machines are tools that make our work easier. They have few or no moving parts. We use simple machines every day without realizing the fact that we are using machines. ये जो simple machines होते हैं ना, हम लोग डेली यूज़ करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, ओके, कहीं ना कहीं somehow, and this simple machines makes our life easier. ठीक है, उनके पास या तो थोड़े बहुत मूविंग पार्ट होते हैं या तो बिल्कुल नहीं होते, बट दे आर ऑल्सो सेड एज सिंपल मशीन्स. हम लोग ये यूज़ करते हैं बिना ये जाने कि दे आर ऑल्सो अ मशीन. वी आर यूजिंग अ मशीन डेली. सो लेट लर्न अबाउट दिस सिंपल मशीन्स. Here one unscrambled word is given and you have to scramble it and write it correctly with the clues. Okay, so first one, dash is a cutting instrument which has a sharp blade attached to a handle. It is a knife. With a scrambled word we have recognized it is a knife, Knife. Second, dash is a piece of metal by which a lock is opened. It is a key. Simple, lock is opened, it is a key, Key. Third, dash is used to find direction with the help of a magnetic needle. It is a compass, Compass. In early years, the sailor used for the navigation the sailor used, nowadays also the sailor use this compass to find out the direction. Okay. Fourth, dash is a thin pointed piece of a metal shaped like a nail, that is a screw, Screw, screw. Now fifth one, dash is a piece of a wire bent into a flat loops like a nail. Okay, like a nail, it is a screw. I have already explained to you, sorry. Now the fifth one, dash is a piece of wire bent into a flat loops for holding papers together. पेपर्स को जो पूरा एक दूसरे के साथ बांध के रखता है, व्हाट इज इट? इट इज अ पेपर क्लिप, PAPERCLIP, clip. Now sixth one, dash is a metal tool used to eat fork. F-O-R-K, fork. Okay. Now, seventh one, a pair of dash is a cutting instrument having two blades which slide past each other. It is a scissor. ठीक है, scissor, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Eighth, dash is a hand tool with a solid head attached to a handle and used for pounding. It is a hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Okay. Now, ninth, dash is a cutting tool. It is used especially for cutting trees. It is a X. A-X-E. X. A-X-E-X. Now, tenth one, dash is a pin that is used to bind. What is it? It is a safety pin. S-A-F-E-T-Y-P-I-N. So, this one is completed. All the 10 we have completed. First one is knight, second one is key, third one is compass, fourth one is screw, fifth one is paper clip, sixth one is fork, seventh one is scissor, eighth one is hammer, ninth one is X, and 10th one is safety pin. Okay, now with trick. Many simple machines are used together to make one complex machine. बहुत सारे मशीन जुड़ के एक कॉम्प्लेक्स मशीन बनाते हैं, which is wheel, X, levers, pulleys are used together to make up a bicycle. Okay. So students, we have completed up to page number 63, exploring science. Okay. So all of you complete your work in the book in the live classes tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow, today. In the live classes, I have already told you what is your homework and what you have to learn. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much, class.